Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Ford Ranger XL single cab ute, stock reference number 5596. The shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has no damage, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent and light wobbles, custom made exhaust system, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate has multiple dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right front door has two small dents and light wobbles, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre.